Hello guys, welcome to PHP Basics section 2.1. Today I'll show you how to add meta tags in HTML, and also I'll show you a small example of PHP and HTML like section 2.0. So first of all, what you need to understand, it's in your HTML, all the meta tags, which is the SEO, the description of the website, the title, everything should go in the head. So you always have to remember that in the head you will put your meta tags, and the three basic, not basic, mandatory that you need to put always in your HTML will be the title, which is here, PHP Basic 2.1 section 2.1, which is this one, and you need the meta char set. This will cover UTF-8, should cover almost all the languages, all the characters in the world. So then you have the viewport. It's the meta. The viewport will be, it's for responsiveness for mobile and desktop. So this is the basics of HTML that you always need when you're creating a website. Then you will have the description. The description is the description of the website. So this is section 2.1 of PHP Basics. So the description that you see here in the meta is when you go to Google and you search for something, when you get the result, you have the title and you have the description of the website. This will be the description of your website, and we'll have the meta name, keywords, and the keywords, to be able to put multiple keywords you need to put a comma. So PHP Basics, the first keyword, the second one will be PHP, and you can put like 1,000 if you want. Most people think if you put more keywords you will rank higher in Google or other search engines, but they're wrong. Now Google penalize people for website actually because they're putting so many keywords and they're not even relevant in the content of their website. So for me, I'll put YouTube channel and so, and here I'll save it. And there's another one, forget it, you don't need this. Okay, so here what we can do also in PHP is we can create a variable called keywords. Alright, I like my code to be clean, and the keywords, I'll add them here. Let's say you copy your keywords here and right here. So I'll show you now another way to integrate PHP in HTML. You just put PHP, the tag of PHP, so echo keywords. Simple as that. So now I just integrated PHP in HTML. So it's very easy and it's quick. So if you go to your browser, refresh, you won't see anything, but you have the title. Go to your page source and you will see that description of the website, which is, this is section 2.1, and the keywords PHP Basics, PHP YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll make better videos, and if you have any suggestion, don't forget to comment below. Thank you.